Most modern technology, I find, is built to be disposable. It is designed to fail, to be replaced, to keep us on that endless upgrade treadmill. Every so often, however, a product emerges that defies this trend. A piece of engineering crafted with a deliberate commitment to longevity and genuine utility. The FEELNEEDY odor control robot, an automatic self-cleaning litter box, is one such exception. Its most remarkable innovation, the feature that truly sets a new industry standard, is its advanced no-smell system. This isn't just a marketing claim. It is a meticulously engineered triple-layer defense. The integrated ABS material itself prevents leaks and traps odors at the source, a robust foundation. Then, a 3-layer waterproof mat, unlike those flimsy silicone variants, actively resists waste buildup and absorption. Finally, the waste storage itself is airtight, sealed with a silicone gasket that ensures zero escapes. This system doesn't just mask odors, it eradicates them. For anyone who has endured that persistent, telltale cat smell, this means a Tuesday morning that simply smells fresh. It is the silent, efficient relief of a tool that simply works, allowing you to forget a tedious chore while others wrestle with less capable designs. Hold it in your hands, and the build quality speaks volumes. This unit feels substantial, designed with a practical density. The materials are robust. This is not flimsy plastic. It feels like a tool built for a lifetime of quiet service. The self-cleaning mechanism activates within 2 minutes of your cat exiting, separating waste and depositing it into a generous 11-liter bin. That is up to 15 days of freedom from scooping. The app control is precise, offering real-time tracking of your cat's habits, a quiet health monitor that provides valuable insight without fuss. Setup is genuinely hassle-free. Unbox it, plug it in, pour in the litter, done. This is a deliberate design to save your most precious resource, your time. Now, it isn't perfect, of course. To empty all the used litter for a full change, you are instructed to tilt the entire unit forward. It is a minor inconvenience in an otherwise seamless experience, a small ergonomic oversight that is quickly overshadowed by the daily convenience and the sheer effectiveness of its odor control. Prices on Amazon for this caliber of equipment are always in flux, driven by supply and demand. You may find significant savings if you catch it at the right moment. I put the link below so you can check the current price.